Good morning. So listen, you still making breakfast?
Red hot? No, you can't be red hot because that's your mama.
Right. Are you still making breakfast?
Yeah.
So listen, these came and I'm excited about using them. So guess what these are?
Oh, those are Imari flavor?
Imari spices. We can actually open them. I haven't even looked at them yet, but I know that there were a lot of she offers a lot of seasoning. I think I told the box, but it's okay. And I think I opened it upside down, but that's okay. So she sent us a thank you card. I'll wait and read that. We can read that later. But she actually sent all these spices for us to try out, and you can use them on everything from poultry to seafood to even like your snacks, popcorn and trail mixes and stuff like that.
And these are the non-salt, right?
Well, yeah, she does have that option. You can get the unsalted or you can get the salted. And of course, you know, I opted for the salt-free one just because of how we change our eating styles. But she offers like high steaks, and of course, this one is good for not only steaks, but I think on some of your snacks as well. The talk about it, you know, because I'm Mexican on the inside. I'm excited about this one. And let's see what she has. All that. And I think this is like the all-purpose seasoning that you can use. That's real versatile to use. We have barbecuing. Look at that. So what does that say? It's grill time. Yet again, it's not cold. No. Yeah, that's for some ribs. And then we have caged in. I love these names. Caged in, the Cajun seasoning. Yeah, you're not gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Well, let me stand up. And then we have curry-ish.
I might do that.
I want you to test this out because, you know, we're not curry eaters or that blend. Yeah. But I want you to try this out, maybe on some chicken. So we have fish-ish, and we do eat fish, so we eat a lot of salmon. And we can try this on that red snapper that I've been wanting to try as well. And then we have sweet heat, which I don't think you're going to try because it has something that says spicy. So it may not be that spicy, but we can try this as well. And this also screams barbecue to me as well. And then we have jerking around, which also maybe have a little spice in it, but I don't think it'll be bad.
I'm willing to taste all of them.
Yeah. So I think we're going to try this high steaks on the eggs, since you're making like bacon and sausage and eggs and fruit and toast today.
We making it.
Okay, so we're making it. Yeah. Thanks, Imari Eats, because I think you just put me back in the kitchen. So without further ado, honey.
Yeah.
Without further ado, let's go try our seasonings. Okay, come on. I'm excited about it.